Hello students, welcome to Ganesh Coaching and Commerce classes. Today we will do algebra. In algebra, total there are 6 chapters. So today I am going to start first chapter, that is linear equation in two variable. So first of all, understand what is meant by linear equation in two variable. So I am defining first equation. What is equation? Equation is nothing but equation is a combination of constant and variable. Equation is a combination of constant and variable. So first of all, what is meant by constant? Constant means what? Any number, either positive, either negative, like 1, 2, 3, 8, like that way, etc. And variable. Variable is nothing but is what? Any alphabets, like X, Y, Z, L, M, etc. This is the definition of equation. Second, linear equation. Maximum power of variable should be 1. Is called a linear equation. It means, for example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. See here, maximum power of variable should be 1. Means what? जो वेरिएबल है, वेरिएबल का पावर क्या होना चाहिए? It should be 1 only, not 2 or 3. See here. Example, one more example, 3x plus 9y is equal to 0. Maximum power it should be 1 only, not more than that. Or here we are using the two variable, that is x and y. So that's why it is a two variable. So third one, if maximum power of variable is 2, then it is called as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. See here, variable power is 2, then it is called as quadratic equation. If maximum power of variable is 3, then it is known as cubic equation. For example, 3x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here maximum power is 3, so that's why it is called as cubic equation. 1. Now we are doing practice set 1.1. Here two simultaneous equation is given. We have to solve it. What does it mean? It means that we have to find value of x and y by solving simultaneously. Here 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Here maximum power is 1. And here also 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. First one is equation number 1 and second is what? Equation number 2. Here it's 2x minus 3y. So if for solving the simultaneous equation we need one variable constant is same. See here, plus 3y and minus 3y. Here y coefficient is 3 and here also y coefficient is 3. So we can solve directly. Here one is positive and one is negative. One is plus and one is minus. So we have to add. If different sign is there, suppose minus minus or plus plus, so we have to subtract it. Now here one is plus and one is minus, so what we will do, we have to add them. So adding both the equation, adding equation 1 and 2 we get. So we have to add the equation. So again write down 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. This is equation number 2. Now I am adding the equation. 5x plus 2x, it becomes 7x. Positive negative will get cancel. Is equal to 12 plus 9, 21. So x is equal to 21. Here 7 is multiply. So multiply है, यहाँ पर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, divide. So 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. You can put in any equation finding the value of 1. You can put in equation number 1 also. You can put in equation number 2 also. You will get same answer. So I am substituting x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Putting in equation number 1, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. 5. What is the value of x? 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 5 3 is 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 3y is equal to 9. Here it's plus 15. So equal to ये उधर जाएगा तो it becomes minus 15. So 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. It becomes minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6. ये 3 यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई में है, यहाँ पर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, इक्वल टू के राइट हैंड साइड में it becomes divide. So 3 1s and 3 2s. So y becomes minus 2. So how you will write? So you have to write in this way. X comma y is equal to 3 comma minus 2 is the solution for simultaneous equation. This is the perfect way of writing. If you want, you can check the answer also. See here, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. If you want to find your answer is correct or not, so you can put and substitute. So I am putting equation number 1, 5x in the place of 3 plus 3, y in the place of minus 2. So 5 3 is 15, 3 2 is minus 6. So 15 plus minus minus 6. So what is 15 minus 6? It becomes 9. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means your answer is correct. So you can solve in this way. Look at the question number 2 first. Here 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. This is equation number 1, and a plus 5b is equal to 22. This is the equation number 2. This sum you can solve by two methods. First one, see here. Here b's coefficient is 5 and here also b's coefficient is 5. So already I told you कि if coefficient of variable is same in both the equation, so we can perform adding or subtracting operation. So already I told you how we perform adding operation if plus and minus sign is there. So we can perform add operation. If both same sign is there, then we have to perform subtracting equation. So here both sign is same. So what we'll do? We have to perform subtracting operation. So I am subtracting equation, equation 2 1 from 2 we get. So a plus 5b is equal to 22. This is equation number 2. and 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. This is equation number 1. So I'm subtracting that minus, so plus sign becomes minus sign and plus sign becomes minus sign. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. So here plus a and minus 3b. So what it becomes? Plus minus minus. So 3a minus a. So it becomes 2n and sign of bigger number. So what is 3a? So it becomes minus 2a. Here positive negative will get cancelled, is equal to plus minus minus 26 minus 22. It becomes minus 4. So negative negative will get cancelled. So it becomes 2a is equal to 4. So a becomes 4. Here it is in multiply. So here becomes divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. We have to find the value of a and b also. So now I am substituting a is equal to 2. Put in equation. Either you can put in equation 1, either you can put in equation 2. You will get same answer. So I am putting in equation number 2. We get, what we will get? A plus 5b is equal to 22. This is the equation number 2. What is the value of a? 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. So 5b is equal to 22. Here it is in plus. So after equal to sign it becomes minus. So 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. It becomes 20. So b becomes 20. A multiply में 5 यहाँ पर आएगा तो divide. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So b is equal to 4. So how will write in this way? A comma b is equal to 2 comma 4 is the solution for simultaneous equation. Like that way you have to solve. Now if you want to find if your answer is correct or wrong, so you can substitute in any equation, either equation 1, either equation 2. So within a second you can check your answer. So I am putting a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4 in equation 2. Now see, a plus 5b. So what is the value of a? A is 2 plus 5. B in the place of 4. So 2 plus 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 it becomes 22. So here 22 and here also 22. So we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Easily you can verify your answer. Your answer is correct or not correct. Now I am solving question number 6. See the question. 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 10 by 3. 2x plus 1 by 4y is equal to 11 by 4. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, अगर कुछ भी चीज़ डिवाइड में दिया रहेगा, ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखो डिवाइड बाय 3 है और यहाँ पर क्या डिवाइड बाय 4 है, तो जब भी कोई नंबर डिवाइड में रहेगा तो ऑलवेज उसी नंबर से क्या करने का, मल्टीप्लाई करने का. सो दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. सो इन इक्वेशन 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, बिकॉज देखो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में क्या है, डिवाइड में यहाँ पर 3, तो इसीलिए किससे मल्टीप्लाई करने का, 3 से. वी गेट व्हाट विल गेट, सो 3 इंटू 1 बाय 3x प्लस हियर ऑल्सो 3y इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू 10 बाय 3. 3 विल गेट कैंसल, तो व्हाट इट बिकम्स x प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 3 विल गेट कैंसल. सो x प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 10. दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 3 and here this one also. In equation 2 multiply by डिनोमिनेटर में देखो कौन सा वेरिएबल है 4, तो इन इक्वेशन 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 वी गेट व्हाट विल गेट 4 इंटू 2x प्लस 4 इंटू 1 बाय 4y इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 11 बाय 4. Here 4 will get cancelled and 4 will get cancelled, but it becomes 4 2s are 8x plus y 1s are y is equal to 11. This is equation number 4.
3 2 1.
So here we have two equation. One is equation number 3 and one is equation number 4. So already I told you we have to solve the simultaneous equation. One variable of the constant is same. Here it is 3y and here it is y only. So if you want to solve this simultaneous equation, so we have to same this coefficient as this coefficient. So here it is 3y but here it is only y. So we can solve x also, here x and here 8x. So we have to multiply in equation 3rd with 8, but if you want to equal y, so we have to multiply here equation 3. You can solve it any method. So I am solving in, I am equating the equation y. So in equation 4 multiply by here 3y, so here only y, so I am multiplying by 3, we get, so 8 3s are 24x plus 3y is equal to 11 3s are 33, so it becomes 11, equation number 5. Now see equation number 3 and equation number 5, here coefficient of variable is 3 and here also 3y. So if both sign is plus, so what I told you, yes. Now subtracting equation 3rd from 5th, we get, so 24x plus 3y is equal to 33, this is equation number 5th, and x plus 3y is equal to 10, this is equation number 3. Now we have to subtract it. Now we have to subtract both the equation. So I am putting the subtraction sign here. So plus minus will get cancelled. 24, this is plus 24x and minus x. 24x and nothing but is what here 1x. So 24 minus 1, it becomes 23 and x. Sign of bigger number. So here bigger number is 24, its sign is plus. So it doesn't have to denote plus sign. Now here 33 plus minus 33 minus 10, it becomes 23. So x is equal to 23. ये 23 यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई में यहाँ पर आएगा तो इक्वल टू के राइट हैंड साइड में, तो यहाँ पर डिवाइड, तो 23 1 जा 23 1 जा, so x becomes 1. So x is equal to 1, you can substitute, put in equation, you can substitute in any equation, either equation number 3rd, 4th, 5th, you will get same answer, but you will substitute which one is smaller, you will get answer very easily. So I think equation number 3rd is small, so I am x is equal to 1, put in equation number 3, we get, so x plus 3y is equal to 10, so x in the place of 1 plus 3y is equal to 10, so 3y is equal to 10 plus 1, it becomes here minus 1, so 3y is equal to 9, so y becomes 9, 3 यहाँ पर multiply में यहाँ पर आएगा तो divide, 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, so y is equal to 3. So again same है, how will represent your answer? X comma y is equal to 1 comma 3 is the solution for the simultaneous equation. This is your final answer. See, this is question number 7. First read the question. 99x plus 101 is equal to 499. See here what number is so big, 99, 101, 499. And second equation, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So if you look here, so here 99x and 99y, यहाँ पर x का जो नंबर है वो 99 है, यहाँ पर y का जो नंबर है 99 है, और यहाँ पर जो y का नंबर है 101 एंड यहाँ पर x का नंबर 101 है. तो जब भी इस टाइप का सम रहेगा ऑलवेज नंबर बिग रहेंगे और जो वैल्यू ऑफ x इसका और इसका वैल्यू ऑफ y वो क्या रहेगा, सेम रहेगा, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ सेकेंड नंबर का y और इसका x क्या रहेगा, सेम रहेगा, देन व्हाट यू विल डू, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ऐड द इक्वेशन and again you have to subtract the equation, then you will get two more equation. Now I am doing, you can look it here. So now I am adding both the equation, adding equation 1 and 2 we get. First add both the equation. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. This is equation number 1. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. This is equation number 2. Now add both the equation. X, it becomes 101 plus 99. It becomes 200 plus this is also y, 200y is equal to, now add it, 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry 1, 9 carry 1, 9 10, 0 carry 1, 4 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10. Here 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. Here you can common, here 200x and 200y, so you can take common 200x, then what will get, 200x plus y in a bracket, so 1000. So x plus y is equal to 1000. ये 200 यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई में इक्वल टू के राइट हैंड साइड में आएगा तो इट बिकम्स डिवाइड. सो 20 विल गेट कैंसल, 2 1s and 2 5s. So x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation number 1. As I told you, equation number 1, 2 and this equation number 3. Now first what we did, we add the equation. Now what we'll do, now subtract both the equation. Subtracting equation from 2 to 1 we get. Now what is equation number 2? 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. This is equation number 2. Now 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. This is equation number 1. Now subtract it. Minus minus minus, positive sign becomes negative and negative sign becomes positive, but here all are in positive, so all positive becomes negative. Now 101 minus 99x, it becomes 2x. Sign now here 10y minus 99n, it becomes 2y, but sign of bigger number. So here what is bigger number? 101. So here sign is minus, so put minus sign over here. Now 501 minus 499, it becomes 2. Now here 2 take as a common, 2 is a common, so x minus y is equal to 2. So x minus y is equal to 2. ये multiply में 2 यहाँ पर आएगा, divide 2 1s are 2. So x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 4. Now see, equation number 3 and equation number 4 will get. Now see here, now we have to find what is the final value. We have to solve the value of x and y. So here plus y and here minus y. So already we know if one sign is plus and one sign is minus, if variable of constant is same, here 1 y, nothing but is what, here 1 y. So we can add both the equation. Now adding equation 3 and 4 we get x plus y is equal to 5. Equation number 3, x minus y is equal to 1. Equation number 4. Add both the equation. Positive negative will get cancel. X plus x 2x. 5 plus 1 6. Now here 2x is equal to 6. तो x is equal to 6. ये 2 यहाँ पर multiply में यहाँ पर आएगा तो divide. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Put in any of the equations. So I am putting x is equal to 3. Put in equation. Which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? 3 or 4? So I am putting in equation number 3. You can put in equation number 4 also. You will get same answer. 3 we get. So x plus y is equal to 5. What is the value of x? X in the place of 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. सो y इज इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 3 इधर जाएगा तो -3, सो y इज इक्वल टू 2. नाउ हाउ टू राइट द आंसर? x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2 is the solution for simultaneous equation. Using this way you have to represent your answer. This sum it will come for 3 marks, but always remember this thing: if number of variable is interchange, like 99x है तो यहाँ पर 99y रहेगा, तो इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर 5x प्लस 4y इज इक्वल टू 2, तो यहाँ पर 4x रहेगा और यहाँ पर रहेगा 5y. बट एक कब होएगा जब नंबर क्या रहेंगे, बिग रहेंगे. इतने स्मॉल केसेस में नहीं, इसको भी कर सकते हैं, बट ए नंबर बिग रहेगा तब इसी टाइप का आएगा. तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. So today we did around 4 sums. Or remaining sums you have to try your own self, and if you have any difficulties you can call me, otherwise you can message me. Thank you.